What's up, guys? I hope you guys are staying safe out there because things are getting a little crazy. And if you're watching this video, maybe you want to improve your e-commerce store, or maybe you're thinking about starting one. So we're going to talk about how to recover abandoned carts using MAILCHIMP. It's a super simple automated campaign that you can create that it is super powerful. The most powerful campaign I have in all the years that I've been doing this. So let's get started. Here we are on MAILCHIMP. All you have to do in the top left corner is create email, and you want to select automated e-commerce, turn on abandoned cart email. It's that simple. If you don't see that option, it's because your e-commerce store is not linked to your MAILCHIMP, and I'm going to do a tutorial on that. But once you are here, you either can create a single email or an email series. It's up to you. I have a tutorial on email series. If you want to check that out, I'm going to put the link below or above. All you have to do is name your campaign and select your linked store. In this case, I already have that campaign going. It's already selected, and then click begin. And on this page, if this is the first time you're doing this, you're going to see a few different things. You're going to see a lot more red X's, and instead of pause and edit, you're going to see start sending. That's the only difference. But once you select the trigger, in my case, 1 hour after they abandoned their cart, and maybe they abandoned their cart because they're in the bathroom shopping and they're done, and they just put their phones in the pocket. They didn't mean to abandon the cart, but they left the cart open there. That's the name of my business. And then the subject, I actually got an email with that exact subject and with the emoji, and I thought it was really effective. What have we done? And then a little sad face. That works really well for me. And if you know why this specific subject line works so well, please comment in the comments below. I would love to hear why this works so well. But here, instead of edit design, you're just going to see design your email. And once we go to preview, I didn't change anything from the suggested MAILCHIMP's template for this at all. And it's been working pretty well for me, but maybe it's time for some update. So the header is just my logo. And I do reiterate that free US shipping on orders of $35 or higher, just so they know. Maybe they're looking at an item that's more expensive than $39. In your case, might be different. And then I do offer a 10% off coupon code for them to go back to their cart and take an extra 10% off their order. That's why this email works so well in my case, because I offer them a benefit to go back to their cart. That's it. Then you're just gonna see save instead of nothing, and it's saved. And again, like I said, instead of pause and edit, you're gonna see start sending. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. This is an extremely powerful campaign, and I strongly recommend that you keep an eye on this campaign at least once a month or once every 2 months to see your click-through rate, your open rate, your conversion rate, how much money you're generating from this campaign, because maybe all that customers want is free shipping. That's been a big trend the last year, and especially this year 2020. Free shipping, it's something really big. It's just something automated. It's something you put, again, the work up front, and then you let it work for you. That's the beauty of using this type of automated campaign on MAILCHIMP. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you write them below in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And smash that like button. Smash, subscribe, crazy. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.